Hey everyone. Have you ever wondered what would happen if every single human on Earth just vanished for a day? Let's dive into this wild thought experiment and see how the world would react. Imagine it. One moment, bustling streets and busy lives. The next, silence. No cars driving by, no lights flicking on, no chatter filling the air. The city's streets would be eerily quiet, with only the faint sounds of nature breaking the stillness. From an ecological perspective, the absence of human activity would be a dramatic shift. Entire ecosystems would adjust to the sudden lack of human influence. Without us, the delicate balance of these systems would be disrupted. It's hard to predict exactly how they would adapt. Think about it. Our daily habits have a ripple effect on the planet. The livestock industry, for example, without humans, millions of animals would be left unattended, leading to unpredictable consequences. And then there's our technology and infrastructure. Power plants would shut down, communication networks would collapse, and the internet would grind to a halt. The sudden absence of human oversight would be catastrophic for our complex systems. Wildlife would face profound changes too. Pets and zoo animals would have to fend for themselves. Urban wildlife like pigeons and rats, on the other hand, would flourish. They'd exploit the sudden lack of human presence. Cities would rapidly return to a state of nature. Vegetation would reclaim buildings and roads. The sounds of the city would be replaced by the sounds of nature. Birds chirping, leaves rustling, water flowing. The urban jungle would truly become a jungle. In the first few hours, nature would begin to reclaim the spaces we once occupied. Trees would grow through cracks in the sidewalk. Vines would wrap around buildings. Abandoned cars would become rusting hulks, and buildings would crumble under the weight of vegetation. Within 24 hours, the world would be unrecognizable. Nature would assert its dominance over the urban landscape. The resilience of nature would be on full display as plants and animals adapted to the sudden lack of human presence. This thought experiment reveals the astonishing capacity of nature to reclaim and adapt. The planet would continue to thrive in a very different way without human presence. As we reflect on the impact of human absence, we're reminded of our place within the ecosystem and the importance of coexisting with nature. So, what did you find most surprising about this thought experiment? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want to explore more about human impact on the environment, be sure to check out our next video.